check this stuff out. It's on a higher floor. It's a corner unit. The shower has half of a wall. Got a towel rack. You got extra lighting coming through this window where the kitchen is. What is this? Oh, it just lifted up. That's cool. Yeah, 1 burner stove. And they're repairing it a little bit more. For about 2 more days, they need to like repaint and sweep. But yeah, it's a higher floor in my building. Fridge right there, dining table right there. This is the closet. I assume that the closet is gonna go over here. You can see maintenance man tools right here that show that they must be working on cleaning it. Got a bed, you got a desk / vanity built into the wall. 1 more window, 1 more corner window. So yeah, this unit has great lighting. I think this is great for me being a YouTuber. TV right there. It has a couch in it, guys. Couch is just fine. Has an ottoman. And this is the view. Give you guys some more scale of this place. Yeah, like that right there on the wall. That's gonna be taken care of before somebody chooses this. That's the type of stuff that the maintenance man has to work on. Another ottoman right there. Basically stool seats. You got 1 stool seat, 2 stool seats. How does the bed feel? Bed is pretty firm. I think it's a queen size bed. And yeah, I can't really tell what this place is gonna look like, but it has great lighting potential. I can see the city all the way over there. I can see the mountains. I can see the Sunshine Mountains, and I can see hotels that sit right on the beach coastline. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for if I choose this place in about 2 days. It's in my same building though, so I wouldn't have to have a serious move process. I just get to change my floor. And yeah, this one costs 7.5 million. Right now I currently pay 6.8 million. So it's about a $20 increase in rent. That's all. Thinking about doing it. I am at my homie Best's soccer game. He plays for a professional team in Da Nang. So this was just refreshing to pull up to. Something different, something that I actually never pulled up to in America was a soccer game. And also getting a chance to support my friend made it like double interesting, man. So yeah, this was fun. I'm thinking about finding myself a basketball league too. Hopefully it's professional. See if I can make a little extra income from something else that I'm passionate about. But I didn't play basketball long term back when I was younger because I wasn't passionate enough about it, man. I love music more and I love making vlogs more. So yeah, maybe for a little extra income and to check off the bucket list experience, I'll try to find myself a basketball league. But they're over there taking a team picture right now though. They just won the game. Yeah, it is 8:48 p.m. and I need to find out what I'm eating for dinner. And then, I don't know, maybe my homie Best will want to hang out. So we'll see. But congratulations to these guys though for getting a dub. And yeah, soccer field, standing on it right now. Just doing new things as I'm in Da Nang. I got more free time. I can go out and just attend new types of events. Pulled up to a soccer game today. It's cool. It's different. What's y'all team name? Is Dana Soul? Inter Da Nang. Dana Soul is just the sponsor.
Yeah, sponsor. We have like 3 sponsors. This is
Vinabeast.
Yes, then Daniso.
Alright, cool.
And I think there's another one on Wave something.
Wave Riders Surf School. Alright, cool. So the team name is International Da Nang. I appreciate y'all watching. Buy into your dreams. Stay confident. Stay consistent. I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next one. And I love y'all, man. Peace.